Ever wondered how a web application firewall inspects traffic to protect your web applications? Let's find out. When traffic passes through a WAF, it carefully inspects every request and response. The WAF analyzes the request headers, parameters, and payloads, looking for signs of malicious activity. If the WAF detects a threat, it can block the request, preventing it from reaching the web application. Similarly, the WAF inspects the response from the web application, ensuring it doesn't contain any malicious content. If the response is safe, it allows it to reach the user, ensuring a secure browsing experience. By inspecting traffic, a WAF acts as a shield, safeguarding your web applications from various attacks like SQL injections, cross-site scripting, and more. With a WAF in place, you can have peace of mind knowing that your web applications are protected against evolving cyber threats. For more information and assistance with implementing a WAF, visit ModshieldSB. We're here to help you strengthen your web application security.